Dear viewers, welcome to our guide on creating the ultimate prayer room design for Namaz. Whether you have a dedicated space or are looking to transform a corner of your home, we have the tips and ideas to help you create a serene and peaceful environment for your prayers. First, consider the layout of the room. Make sure there is enough space for you comfortably perform your prayers. You may want to include a prayer mat, a Quran stand, and a small shelf for any religious texts or items. Next, think about the decor. Soft lighting, calming colors, and natural elements can help create a tranquil atmosphere. Consider adding plants, candles, or a small fountain to enhance the space. Storage is a key in a prayer room. Utilize shelves, baskets, or cabinets to keep the space organized and clutter-free. This will not only create a peaceful environment, but also make it easier for you to focus during your prayers. Lastly, don't forget about personal touches. Add a rug or throw pillows for comfort. Hang up inspirational quotes or artwork, and play soothing music to enhance your spiritual experience. By following these tips, you can create a prayer room that is not only functional but also beautiful and is inspiring. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and inspiration. Thank you.